Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna make a bed soup again. And our mission today is we have to make a 45,000 bed soup. And let's begin together. Okay, the first part we need to put all the material into the machine. First we need to put the sodium hydroxide, and then we need to put water, oils, coconut oil, and natural color. And here is my brother. Then he is mixing the flour, sodium hydroxide with the coconut oil and all material for the 5 minutes. And then let us put it in the machine. After it's mixed for the 5 minutes, our bed soup it will form into the solid, and then it will flow through the machine and it will form into the solid like you see here. Okay, like you see here, our soup is begin like into the solid, turn into solid, and it flows through the machine. Okay, let's move to the third part. Right now our bed soup are formed and it flows through the cutting machine and time machine. And here is the activity of our staff. Like you see, they are work hard. They are work so hard to collect and to prepare all the bed soup and prepare for the packing and ready for the export. Okay, it is the end of my videos, and thank you everyone. If you like my videos, please help me to subscribe and like or comment below. Thank you and bye bye everyone.